Hey world, so Christian here. I'm at Walmart, the mart where Wahlberg is at. So what I'm doing is getting a sewing machine, or I'm gonna try to find a sewing machine so I can start making my bags completely myself. I ran out of the set that I had from somebody that I collaborated with in Florida. So now I gotta figure out how to make some more. So yeah, here's this little journey. Oops, I burped. Yep, not gonna edit that shit either. Bye. I don't give a fuck about what my hair looks like, because I am not my hair. I am not your skin. I am not your expectations. No. I am not my hair. I need some chapstick. So this is all of the material that I've accumulated over however many months. I have a lot of like lining that might be waterproof, some cool lining so it looks all like sexy inside, and then a lot of jeans, a lot of pockets. Got some different kind of ideas to make some bigger bags. So I was thinking like that, and then bam, it'll be like pocket. Then you got like a big pocket, like for your like main stuff. So the cargo is a different idea. Got some different kind of like lining, so it's like all cool. I was thinking that I could make this like a strap. So we'll see how that works in a sense. So I got a couple of those. But alright, let's learn how to sew. Bye. Hey everybody, I guess if you want to do like a little unboxing, got the Brother sewing kit, lightweight, full size, upper thread tension control dial, free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, other things, super bright LED work area. So let's see that. Easy bobbin winder. So yeah, I'll show you what I get inside of this little box. Different things that I need. Threads. The owner's manual. Keep that. And then more styrofoam.
This threading seems like it's going to be kind of complicated, so I'm going to figure that out really fast, and then I'll holler at you guys. Alright, bye.
So yes, the Brother, LX3817. So is what I got. Alright, so I got kind of most of the process started. This is my first little sew. It's not very great, but I will figure it out as I go. So yeah, I sewed it up on this side, and I just flipped it inside out. So this is literally the second time in my life I've